Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you Universal Email Extractor version 4.0 to scrap contact information from any website. In this video, you will see how I have extracted all these contact details from these websites by using this latest version. So, this is our tool. Now I am going to explain all of its new features and how to use this tool to scrap contact data from any website. To run this tool, you will get this zip file from me. You will have to extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Okay, we have to enter our websites list here. I already have a sample list of websites. Select all and copy and paste here. And when you put your websites list here, go in the options and select the data columns that you want to scrap. I have selected all, and when all these things are done, click the start button. Okay, it is scraping the data. You can count the number of rows by right clicking on the footer and select count. Now it is showing the total results scrapped. It is scraping website domain, email, phone number, all social links and contact us page link. And you can see it is not scraping some information like these emails. If we enable this deep search option, it will find emails and other information from their sub pages of the website and from their social media pages. And data is scraping on two places. One is here and second is SQLite database. Let me show you. It is also scraping the all time data here. Okay. Here you can type your email here. For example, I type my email and select the time interval. I am selecting on completion and click apply button. Now it will notify me once it gets completed. You can export the data on the runtime or even after the scraping completed. Click export button and select your output location. For example, I select my desktop. Name your file here and select your output format and export it. Okay, this is our data. Okay. There are two ways to do scraping by using this tool. One is by using website URLs, and second is importing CSV file. Now I show you how to do scraping from CSV files. I am closing the tool and restart it. Okay. Now I show you how this option works. You will have to import your CSV file. This is a sample import file. For example, you have a data of companies or businesses and their website is here, and we want to scrap their contact details and social media details from their websites. Just simply import this CSV file. Now the CSV has been imported. It has updated the new data table. The same CSV data columns are here, and the new additional data columns that it will scrap are added automatically. And you will have to be very careful in this step. You will have to type your exact column name of the website as in the CSV. Okay, the exact column name is here now. And when all these things are done, select the data columns and click the start button. Okay, now it is scraping the data. These columns are from CSV file, and this is the new additional information that it is now scraping and updating the data. It will do scraping in this way, and it will scrap all the websites from this CSV file. You can also export data on the runtime. This is our file. We can further edit this file. Let me show you. Okay, so this is our data. Okay, so this is our tool. You can scrap thousands of data by using this tool. This tool is very useful for lead generation, cold emailing, and business outreach. And if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is provided in the description. And if you find this tool helpful, share your thoughts and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.